Hey y'all, it's Wendy from Around My Family Table. I decided to start filming what I eat in a day videos and share more keto friendly content with y'all. Uh, I filmed yesterday. It was my very first what I eat in a day video, and it didn't go as planned. So keep watching, find out why, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Good morning. I'm just back from the gym, which is why I look like this. But today is my very first what I eat in a day video. Didn't want to skip my coffee. So I have homemade coffee with some heavy whipping cream and a little bit of sweetener. I already made it, sorry. But I will be back and I will show you everything I eat today, breakfast, lunch, dinner, any snacks that I have along the way. Good morning. Breakfast today is going to be the Ratio Keto yogurt in the mixed berry flavor. It has 2 carbs, and then I add the birthday cake flavored keto nut granola, 3 net carbs. I do actually measure this out because I could easily go over on this and just keep adding to it. So I do measure this one and keep it good. But yeah, there is the nutrition for the granola. I do like this birthday cake one. It does have more carbs than I like to normally eat, but I'm starving from working out this morning. So there you go. That's going to be breakfast. So I'll go ahead and just pour it on. Don't know if I can do this one-handed, but I add a little bit and then stir it in, heat it up, add a little bit more, and keep going. So good. Here's dinner. I'm getting an early start. In my slow cooker, I've got it lined for easy cleanup. I have chicken breast, cream cheese, bacon bits, some Flavor God garlic lover seasoning, which I love this one. We use it all the time. Then I'm going to turn this into soup. So I'm going to add my Keto Chow savory chicken soup. Just the powder, just like that. Love this stuff. It's so versatile. And then I have my homemade chicken stock. So I'm going to go ahead and just pour that in, turn this on low, and let it cook all day. Then I'll add some cheese and more bacon. Hopefully, we'll have a delicious soup in a couple hours. So I'm back, and I said I would show you everything I'm eating and drinking, and I'm getting ready for a meeting. Um, and so I have my Bang. I love these things. I'm kind of addicted, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna jump on my meeting. Hopefully, something good happens, and I will see y'all later with the next meal. Well, I am out and about running errands. I've got a ton of returns to do today and a drop at Goodwill, so I am having lunch out. Here's what I get. So I ended up at In-N-Out, and I just placed my order, and I will show you what I ordered when I get it. So what I ordered was 2 Flying Dutchmans, which is 2 burger patties each with cheese, and I get it fried with or cooked with mustard, side of pickles, and just got a water because they don't have what I like to drink. So that's lunch. I'm gonna dig in. So good. You can get it with the grilled onions too. I just don't like iceberg lettuce and tomatoes on my burgers, so this is the way I opt to do it, but you could also get it lettuce wrapped if you prefer. Well, our power's out. it's going to be out for hours and hours and hours. So the yummy soup I made this morning, not going to have it for dinner because it is not done. So I guess it'll be dinner tomorrow night. And I'll try to grab a video of that when it is done. So instead, my husband's going to grab Chick-fil-A for the kids, and we're going to make an impromptu charcuterie board. It's going to be super basic because I don't have much. Some meat, some cheese. That's about it. Anyway, so this day did not turn out as I was expecting, and they're saying that the power is going to be off for several hours. So I've got no internet, no Wi Fi, no nothing. You know how it goes when the power's off. It is what it is. So it's been a couple hours. It's totally pitch dark in our house, even though it's not that late. And this is going to be our supper. We have two different types of sausage. And then I cut up mozzarella sticks and the Kobe cheddar, whatever it is, cheese sticks. So there you go. There's my fancy dinner. And there you have it. That was what I eat in a day yesterday because it's the next morning and I finally have power and can get this done. It really was an interesting day with the loss of power and everything, but it truly shows what I eat in a day and how I pivot when I have to. Hopefully, next time will go better. Anyway, I hope you will give this video a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, or if there's something you want to see me talk about. I would love to hear what you have to say. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.